Hello, Dougs and Dugettes. We're back on White Noise for I think about the 5th time now. This will be part 5, I think. I hope you've enjoyed the previous parts. As usual, I'm trying to entertain.
Finally, I'm back.
Yeah, finally Dylan's back in an episode. Obviously, you've seen a lot of me and Sam on here.
Jack, turn around. Jack, quickly, turn around. Whoa.
I can't even see anything. Oh, fucking hell.
Go!
I scored! We're having a turn continent! Good night!
So, what do you call the guy again?
Steve, where are you? Steve!
Bob to me.
Steve! Where the hell are you? Swear to me, Steve. Right, the lights are out. Volume is maximum, and we are in it to win it. Right, Sam's going off on his own, I think.
Sam?
John, stop! John, we need to work together now.
Oh, come on.
No, it's John. It looks more like John Lennon.
Oh, John.
Alright, let's go anyway. That's enough time for Beatles.
Oh my God, where is he? Steve!
Where's he? Steve! Where are you? I want to see Steve! I can't.
Oh, there he is.
I want to see Steve!
Such a douchebag.
Where's Steve? Steve! Steve, where are you? Oh, fucking Steve, I saw you! I love you, Steve! Let me run away.
Guys, he's been here all the time.
Boys, I don't like Steve. Steve scares me.
Let's try and get 8 out of 8 radio.
Let's try not to get killed by Steve, would be the best bet.
What made you want?
You probably, Sam's got a good point, man. You probably will die. Shut up, it's Steve. He's the biggest subscriber to my channel. He loves my channel. I was talking to him last night. He said, sorry boys, if you play this again, I'm gonna have to kill you. Fucking hell, Steve. Jesus, Steve. It's Steve. It's more catchy when you call him Steve.
No, do you know what he probably said? Sorry about the game, but it's only accident. In real life, what I said.
I bet he's nice in real life. I bet he's the nicest guy you'll ever meet, Steve. Probably Slender's uncle or something, I don't know.
No, he's Slender's cousin.
Slender's uncle. I am Steve, and I am Slender's uncle.
No,
Steve, call him Steve.
How do you know Slender? Your cousin. Wait. No! Steve!
Oh, Steve, you bastard! Steve, you bastard! Run away, Steve! Run! Steve! Steve! Who's over the bridge? Boys, run! He's behind us, Steve! Steve, man! Oh, he's gone, don't worry. I know. It's like we're all, it's like, two tapes. Hey Steve, how you doing, man? Where are you? Where's Steve? Green Bob. Oh, Green Bob. Catch your name. You call him Slime. So Dill calls him Slime. I call him Green Bob. Can I get it? How come I never get any tape? I get like one. Whoa! Boys, I can glitch this. Watch, boys, I can glitch it. Hold on, I glitched it like a minute ago. Hold on. Watch, I can glitch it. I did it a minute. Come on. Yeah, glitch it. Oh my God! I am glitching. I don't know. I'm inside the hand. I have glitched that White Noise, Dougs and Dugettes. Oh, Steve! Steve, you bastard, Steve! Steve. Yes, bitch! Oh, Steve, bitch! Steve. Yeah, bitch! Steve, bitch! Bitch, Steve! Steve is a bitch! I don't like Steve. Hey, Steve! Oh, God. Oh, shit! I Steve or Green Bob. I don't know who. Who shall I trust? Green Bob or Steve? Green Bob can't move, but Steve can kill, and Green Bob can. So they got. Oh shit, Bob. No, Steve. So confusing.
Get away from him!
Boy, stop leaving me! Stop leaving me! Bloody hell, Dill. I'm constipated over Steve. I know. Actually, technically, I found that glitch. So I take all credit for the glitch. Can I just say, if Sam doesn't let me get one tape, I'm gonna go ballistic and get Steve on him. I will get Steve on him, bitch. I will get Steve on him.
If I wake back to our special guest, you will love to go. Statue of Life.
Green Bob! Green Bob!
Can I get this voice? Can I go to this thing?
Steve! Steve! Fucking Steve! Run, Steve! 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 Fucking Steve! Steve, run! Steve's after us. Fucking Steve. Oh, Steve! Oh, shit! Steve got me! Steve got me, bastard! Steve got me.
Really?
Steve, you twat. I thought we were friends. Why don't you want to be my friend, Steve? Why don't you want to be my friend? Somebody else died because that girl is like getting left behind. Left behind.
We don't even know who she is.
Let's go, girl.
Join the game.
Let's go, girl. Oh. Yeah. Anyway, she's just like completely not making sense. Look at her face. Her face has no emotion. Yeah, I'll get Steve on you now. Steve, get him. Steve, right, where's Steve? Steve's too awesome. That's the problem with Steve. Steve is amazing. Right.
I don't like graveyard.
Right, now, Dugs and Nuggets. Well, I got 5 minutes. If you watch the White Noise videos and you enjoyed them, that's great. But if you want to see other videos, there are other videos on the channel, and that may shock and surprise you. Like the Red Dead Redemption series I started with Sam over the weekend.
I actually thought you were going to say,
What?
if I'm quite honest, I thought you were going to say, like, leave a comment on what games you want me to
That's actually a good idea. I know I have a couple of subscribers at the minute. I know it's nothing big, I know it's nothing major. Told you Steve would be on you like a rash or a fly on shit.
Jag, are we doing a video on Gears of War Judgment or not?
Yeah, so Dugs and Duggets, Gears of War Judgment is coming out on the 22nd of March. Hope if any of you
On the night or the day?
the day, I think. I'm not sure.
It's gonna be coming out in midnight. But when you
I thought
pre-order
a sleepover the next day.
Ha.
hey, this is a new statue, the Dragon Mode.
Oh God. Yeah.
Sam! Radio!
Steve,
Yeah.
stop them from getting the radio. Steve, stop.
Comment, 5 out of 8.
Steve, stop them now. Steve, I want you to kill them. Steve, do what I say.
Let's go, Jack.
I am your master. Brain, I am your master.
Sam, my light's switching on and off, you know.
I know, yeah.
Oh God, come on. Yeah, so Dugs and Nuggets, as I was saying, leave comments in the description what games I should play. If you all want me to play, you know, I don't necessarily want to play. I don't say I hate cards, but if you ask me to do card, it will not be multiplayer. It will not be multiplayer. I'm sorry. If anything, it may be zombies.
Zombie video with me.
Yeah, well, if you saw that little short video I did a couple of months back, or a month ago, or whenever it was what my team got what high round my team got to on zombies. But if you want to fall, I'll probably only do zombies because multiplayer isn't really my thing. But if there's games, you know, indie games you want me to try out, leave a comment in the section below, or if you're on a tablet to the side. I know these things. Steve, come on, Steve, Jesus. 9 minutes, Steve. And you've only killed me in 9 minutes. You must hate me, Steve.
I thought Steve was supposed to be like your pal.
Oh no, we've been this way.
Tell me have to turn around and he's right behind us.
Steve's not behind you, boys. Don't worry, Steve's a good guy. Steve, if you don't kill them, I will kill... They don't care. Steve, if you don't kill them, I will.
I don't think you're the ghost.
you go through it.
Aha! See? I told you Steve was going to do it. I told you. I told you Steve was going to do it. The girl's dead. I told you Steve would do it. Steve's article.
I sure hope Mr. Thomas doesn't. Oh, crazy thing. I sure hope Mr. Thomas doesn't watch his friends and the old thing. That's screwed.
Right. He's not a teacher from school is not going to be a dugger or dugout, okay? It just doesn't work like that. Okay, let's go off topic. Steve is the most important thing in this video, not us, Steve.
Our dad hasn't been in the game.
Yeah, sorry guys if I didn't, obviously I didn't introduce him. One of Steve's other friends, Corrupt Fears, is in this game.
I see it.
Where's it? I don't care.
Mine.
I don't care who gets it. Right, Sam, where are we going?
Oh no, this is going to proper hard still.
That was weird.
Alright,
Shut up.
Innuendos, Pike, innuendos. You do not say it's going to get very hard to children. My audience. Kill him, Steve! Jesus Christ, it's been 11 minutes. Just kill him already. Steve.
My brother.
Yeah, come on.
Steve, kill him.
You pass.
I give up. Steve is never going to do it.
We follow this path, we might be able to find another.
I just don't know what the hell we're on about with Steve
Super
trying to kill us. It's not Minecraft, by the way, Dad.
Is any of you dead yet?
Die.
I don't understand that.
What?
None of you are dead yet.
No, I'm not dying. I'm not dying. Screw you.
Boys, you split up.
Bill, over here.
You split up.
Bill, over here. Oh my God, where is he?
Kill him! Go on, Steve. Jesus, Steve. 12 minutes. Yes! Yes, Steve! Yes, Steve! Well, that's what Steve does, boys. That's what Steve does.
I think I died in real life.
So, Dugs and Duggets, if you enjoyed that video, like, comment, and subscribe to become a Dugger Dugget if you're not already. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out, and I'll see you in my next video.